Hi, this is Jessie Dancy, and this tutorial covers how to add multiple accounts to Google Classroom on the iPhone app. Here you can see my iPhone home screen, and I'm opening the Google Classroom app. And then I want to click the three bars in the top left. That will show my account. There's a drop-down menu next to the account that I'm signed into, like a small triangle. And then there's an option to manage accounts. That's what you want to click. Here you can add an account and sign in with your Mamaroneck account. Remember, our accounts for students end with @student.mamkschools.org. Enter your password. You can get that from your teacher or your lab TA, and it will add the second account. Then whenever you click that three bars, you can just click on the icon for that account and it will toggle between them. So here's the chat student account. When I click the three bars, now I can click the M, and this will take me back to the MAS student account. So on my iPhone, I've logged into multiple accounts and can easily switch between them. I hope that works for you and for your family. Thank you. Bye.